Hi folks, Lee here from Tom and Jerry's Boats. Welcome to the 2021 Seattle Boat Show. We are here at Twin Bridges Marina. I am standing in front of the 2021 KingFisher 1825 Falcon. This is one of KingFisher's premier boats. If you are looking for a boat in the 16, 17, 18, 19 foot range, this is definitely one that you should consider. KingFisher has been building boats since the late 50s, early 60s, and their pre-flex technology on their hulls is really second to none. It provides longitudinal stability to the hull and gives it that extra strength that you really want when you're out in rough water. This particular boat comes with a full canvas. There are a number of options you can get on the boat as far as if you want to use it for fishing, if you want to use it just for a commuter. Many people in the San Juans use these for commuters, so it's an excellent boat for that. And being aluminum, it is rugged, it's tough, it has a lifetime warranty. It's a boat that would really last you for quite a few years. As we continue to walk around this KingFisher, you'll see some of the options that are available on it. Dual wipers are nice, of course, here in the Northwest. These raised stainless steel bars are nice. If you have little kids, you can grab onto them or they can grab on so you're not going to fall overboard. This particular one has a bow roller on it here for use with an anchor. The paint is standard on these KingFishers, which is really nice. They're very attractive boats. They do a wonderful job with the paint on them. The canvas, as you can see, is a gray canvas. It works nicely with the gray Zolatone paint on the boat. You've got rod holders here on the sides as well, so you fishermen will like that very much. You'll also notice on these KingFishers, particularly on this series here, they have very tall sides, so when you do have your family in there, you're going to feel safe. If you have little kids, they're not going to fall overboard. You've also got cleats here that are extra large cleats for tying up at the dock. You can moor these boats just about anywhere and feel safe and confident. As we go around to the stern, you'll notice that this particular boat has a 25-inch transom. We order those that way because it's safer. Number one, the hull is higher here, so it brings the water up higher out of the water and prevents less backsplash if you are in rough water. This boat also has some zincs here on the hull. Those prevent corrosion on the hull in aluminum boats. On this side of the boat, you've also got another tab here that's welded on. For those of you that want to know how deep the water is, we can put a transducer here. The nice thing about the way those tabs are attached is you don't have to drill into the hull itself. Everything is done on the outside part of the hull. Again, more safety features. You've got a nice ladder here, a swim ladder, if you do take it out in the lake with kids or something. And even for you fishermen, you know, things happen out on the water. If you do fall overboard, you need a way to get back on. So these all have the extended platform here with a ladder on them. This particular 1825 Falcon comes with a Honda 90 4-stroke engine. The Hondas carry a 5-year warranty. They're very good engines. This boat can be power matched with others, of course, such as Yamaha or Suzuki. There are many others available, but the Honda is a very reliable, well-known brand. As we move into the boat here in the stern, you'll notice that this boat has a very wide beam. It's 7-foot 9-inch beam. The sides are 31 inches tall, as I mentioned before, on this boat, and the bottom width is 66 inches. So again, for an 18-foot boat, it's going to be very stable out in the rougher water. You've got plenty of room for people to move around back here. You have a nice drop curtain, the canvas. You can enclose your family totally in here. These will zip up all the way in nice weather, and you can really have an enjoyable time in this boat. Once again, in regard to the performance of the boat along with this Honda, this boat has a 39-gallon fuel tank, which gives you an incredibly huge range. It's a very economical engine. You can go for days and days in this boat and use very little fuel. Inside the boat, as we move inside, there are 2 passenger seats up front with armrests. They're very nice quality vinyl seats. You can see the armrests here. This particular boat also has 2 jump seats in the back, so you can seat 4 people comfortably inside this boat. The height is very good. I'm almost 6 feet tall, and so you're not constantly bending over inside the boat every time you want to get in and out. As we move inside the boat here, you can see some pretty nice features here. You've got a real nice steering wheel on this boat. All the switches are very easy to get to here. You have switches for your wipers, your nav lights, your bilge pump. The newer boats also come with 12-volt and USB ports, so when you're out on the water, you can always stay in contact with everyone. The throttle control, the gauges are very user-friendly. Anybody can drive a boat like this. You've got some storage up here under the dash, and you've got good storage over here in the glove box as well. So these are all locking things. You can lock your stuff in here if you go someplace for the day. Inside the boat, underneath these jump seats, you have plenty of storage here. These lift up very easily, so you can put whatever you want under there. It is dry storage. The canvas itself also will come down on this boat for traveling. You can unzip and unsnap the sides, and there is a boot that covers it. You roll it onto the bar here, and there's a boot that covers the whole thing. So it makes it nice and neat. If you want to take the boat to warm, sunny places, you don't have to have the canvas up. These Kingfishers are appointed very nicely. They have a lot of options that a lot of other manufacturers don't put on the boat. So we're very excited to show this to you, and we look forward to seeing you at the boat show. Thanks so much.